The oldest light in the universe. Sound of radio static. Hello, it's me. Welcome to my channel. This is the oldest light in the universe. Can you guess how old it is? How long do you think it's been around? It's leftover radiation from the Big Bang. So it's everywhere, and it's all around us. But we can only detect it with highly sensitive equipment. Before we reveal the answer, here's a fun fact about this ancient light. It's the universe's baby picture. During the Big Bang, everything was hot and dense. And there was a lot of radiation. As the universe expanded, it cooled, and those waves of radiation stretched out. And we can see them today as radio waves. This is the cosmic microwave background radiation! So again, how old do you think it is? Are you ready? Here's the answer. 13.8 billion years old. That's how old the universe is! This light has been traveling for billions of years! And just like the heat from the Big Bang, it's still here. What do you think? That's 1 minute. See you next time! Alright, first up on our space news, a new view of an old black hole. We already knew that M87 was a supermassive black hole at the center of the Messier 87 galaxy. It's about 55 million light years away. And we knew that it had an atmosphere of sorts. We're talking about a big sphere of hot gas that surrounds the black hole. It is called the accretion disk because it is made of stuff that is being pulled in or accreted onto the black hole. What we didn't know is that this disk actually wobbles as it spins. A paper published this week in the journal Nature used X-ray data from the Chandra X-ray Observatory to map the movement of material around the black hole. Turns out the inner edge of the accretion disk does unquite line up with the black hole's equator. Instead, it's tilted at about 25 degrees. It looks like part of the disk is even floating above the equator. Now, these findings are important because they help scientists better understand how matter behaves around a black hole. And they also help researchers refine models of how supermassive black holes grow. Next up, a planet 9 times larger than Jupiter has been found around a star that is 230 light years away. The planet was detected using a technique called radial velocity, which measures how much a star's light changes as a planet passes in front of it. In this case, the planet's gravity actually pulled the star slightly toward it as it passed. And that gave the planet's presence away. Scientists say that this planet is about 9 times the mass of Jupiter, but it's also 8 times closer to its star than Jupiter is to the Sun. Because of that close proximity, the planet is extremely hot. Its surface temperature is estimated to be around 525 degrees Celsius. Now, if that's too hot for ya, don't worry. Scientists say that this planet probably doesn't have a surface. It's most likely a giant ball of gas. And finally, we have some exciting news from the James Webb Space Telescope. It's been busy observing a supernova remnant known as Cassiopeia A. This is the debris left over from a star that exploded, and it's one of the youngest known supernova remnants. It's located about 11,000 light years away in the Cassiopeia constellation. The James Webb Space Telescope's infrared capabilities are allowing scientists to see through the dust and gas that is obscuring this supernova remnant. They're hoping to learn more about how stellar explosions occur. That's all for this week. Be sure to follow for more updates. And as always, thanks for watching.